Discover the perfect starter set for crafting with style and precision. The best leatherworking kit for beginners includes essential tools to help you master cutting, stitching, and stamping. Ideal for new hobbyists eager to explore leather craftsmanship. Number 1. TLKKEU Leather Tooling Kit. The TLKKEU Leather Tooling Kit stands out as one of the most comprehensive and professionally curated leather crafting kits available for both beginners and experienced artisans. This oversized kit goes beyond the basics by including an engraving mat and a professional cutting mat, which help prevent damage to your workspace while providing a stable platform for precision work. Carefully assembled by professional leather craftsmen, each tool is matched to ensure versatility and ease of use. The set features a broad array of tools, including stamping tools, hollow punches, prong punches, rotary cutters, and even insect-themed stamping tools for creative designs. Also included are rivet and snap button kits, carving hammers, edge creasers, tracing wheels, and beveled tools, all crafted from high-quality steel and tested for sharpness and durability. What makes this kit especially appealing is how it supports every step of a leather crafting project. Whether you're engraving, sewing, stamping, or sanding, you'll find tools specifically made for the task. It includes 52 stamping patterns, 15 colors of wax thread, 9 sizes of punches, and multiple awls for different functions such as enlarging or threading. The multifunctional groover and sanding tools round out the set, making it possible to tackle complex projects like belts, wallets, bags, or decorative patches with confidence. This kit is incredibly versatile and suitable for everything from DIY hobby projects to more advanced creative work. Whether you're working on leather jackets, carpets, or tents, the included tools help bring your vision to life. With such an extensive set of tools and thoughtful extras like colorful thread and decorative stamping options, the TLKKEU Leather Tooling Kit is an excellent value. If you're looking for the best leatherworking kit for beginners that can also serve you as you progress in skill, this kit delivers high-quality, excellent organization, and comprehensive functionality in one well-crafted package. Number 2. SAKERNEO Leather Tooling Kit. The SAKERNEO Leather Tooling Kit offers a professional-grade leather crafting experience ideal for anyone seeking both versatility and quality. This all-in-one set includes 52 precision stamping molds, an engraving mat, a cutting mat, and multi-sized hollow punches ranging from 2.5mm to 10mm. Designed to meet the demands of carving, stitching, and decorative stamping, the kit is particularly suitable for leather repair, embellishment, and hole punching projects. One of its standout features is its use of high-quality carbon steel in every tool. Each component undergoes rigorous multi-layer quality checks, resulting in razor-sharp blades and cutting edges that provide clean, smooth performance with long-lasting durability. Whether you're cutting thick leather straps or working on fine details with faux leather, these tools are built to deliver professional results without wearing out quickly. The kit also shines in portability and organization. All tools are stored in a custom-designed carrying case with labeled compartments, making it simple to keep your workspace tidy and travel-ready. This ergonomic case adds great value for hobbyists and professionals alike, especially those who want to work in various locations or store tools efficiently. It also has some fantastic practical advantages in the inclusion of decorative rivet installation tools. These make it easy to add a stylish, professional finish to belts, bags, wallets, or furniture repairs. Compatible with most other leatherworking accessories and setups, the SAKERNEO Leather Tooling Kit can integrate seamlessly into an existing workflow or serve as a complete foundation for new users. Number 3. TLKKEU Leatherworking Tool. The TLKKEU Leatherworking Toolkit provides a robust and highly organized set of leather crafting tools, perfect for hobbyists and beginner-level artisans looking to explore the full range of leatherworking techniques. It includes a total of 92 carefully chosen tools, all stored in a customized carrying and hanging storage bag that makes organizing and accessing the tools both simple and efficient. This thoughtful storage solution ensures that you won't lose essential components and allows the entire kit to remain highly portable for crafting on the go or at different workstations. The kit shines in its comprehensive coverage of leather sewing needs. With 18 colors of wax thread, each roll measuring approximately 30 meters, plus multiple types of sewing needles, awls, thimbles, tracing wheels, scissors, and adjustable groovers. The sewing component of this kit is among the most complete at this price point. It also supports creative leather engraving projects with 20 detailed leather stamping tools, rotary carving knives, carving hammers, edge creasers, and wood slickers. These tools are user-friendly and ideal for learning the art of embossing or engraving unique patterns into leather items like belts, keychains, or wallets. Everything in this kit is made of sharp, high-quality materials, ensuring the tools are durable and long-lasting. From cutting to sewing to embossing, every part of the crafting process is covered, allowing you to produce professional-looking projects without needing to purchase additional tools.
Number 4. BAGERLA Leather Tooling Kit. The BAGERLA Leather Tooling Kit is an extensive and thoughtfully organized set that includes a staggering 315 pieces of leather crafting tools, making it a dream setup for DIY enthusiasts and serious hobbyists. The standout feature is the upgraded, waterproof, and wear-resistant custom storage bag, which keeps every tool secure and neatly organized. It even includes a hidden hook that allows you to hang the tool bag near your workbench for easy access. This smart design detail boosts work efficiency and organization, particularly during long or complex projects. The included PU shock-absorbing board, A4 cutting board, and 25mm carving hammer add a professional touch, ensuring the smoother, safer, and more accurate crafting experience. The prong punches come in 1, 2, 4, and 6 prong versions, while the hollow punches range from 2 to 9mm, giving you the precision needed for detailed or heavy-duty jobs alike. Beyond the basics, it includes advanced tools like a 7-in-1 multifunction groover, V-groover, edge cutters, and edge die pens for more refined finishes. Every piece in the kit is forged from high-quality materials, promising longevity and reliability. Number 5. Jupean Leather Tooling Kit. The Jupean Leather Tooling Kit is one of the most complete and versatile kits available, boasting a massive 458 pieces that cater to everything from basic leather sewing and stamping to advanced carving and punch work. Designed to meet the needs of beginners and seasoned crafters alike, this kit includes high-quality tools for a wide range of tasks, such as leather handling, dyeing, stitching, and embellishing. The variety ensures that you can work on multiple types of materials, including leather, canvas, denim, paper, and more. One of the most impressive features is the inclusion of a professional wooden toolbox and leather tool holder. This sturdy case not only keeps everything organized, but is also portable and great for long-term storage. It's an excellent bonus, especially if you're looking for a more traditional and durable tool organizer. In addition to being a top-tier crafting set, this kit also makes a thoughtful and valuable gift. The manufacturer even suggests it's the best present for a father or any DIY enthusiast. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.